the LRT Line 1, LRT-1 Light Rail Vehicles, Cavite Extension project represents one of the most transformative transportation undertakings in the Philippines, symbolizing a major leap in the modernization of Metro Manila's transit system and the expansion of efficient rail mobility toward the rapidly growing southern provinces. As Metro Manila continues to experience population growth, intensified urbanization, and increasing pressure on its transportation infrastructure, the expansion of LRT-1 to Cavite emerges as a crucial solution designed to improve connectivity, reduce travel time, and enhance the daily commuting experience of millions of Filipinos. The project extends the existing LRT-1 line beyond Baclaran toward the key municipalities and cities of Cavite, including Parañaque, Las Piñas, and Bacoor, which have long relied on congested road systems as their primary means of travel. With this extension, the Philippines aims to establish a more balanced and reliable transportation network that offers a modern alternative to traditional road-based commuting, helping ease traffic congestion along southern corridors such as Coastal Road, Aguinaldo Highway, and surrounding urban centers. The light rail vehicles used for this extension project reflect an improved generation of rolling stock specifically designed to deliver a more comfortable, efficient, and reliable travel experience. These new LRVs incorporate enhanced safety features, energy-efficient systems, advanced braking mechanisms, smoother acceleration, wider gangways, improved air conditioning, digital route displays, and a more spacious passenger layout. Their green-yellow-white color scheme remains faithful to the established identity of LRT-1, symbolizing continuity while representing a new era of modernization. Built with high-grade stainless steel and equipped with modern bogies and traction systems, these units offer greater durability and smoother operation compared to older generations. Moreover, their compatibility with the existing LRT-1 system ensures seamless integration into daily service without compromising operational stability. The Cavite Extension project itself includes the construction of viaducts, new elevated stations, power systems, tracks, signaling modernization, and spacious station platforms designed to accommodate higher passenger volumes. Each new station is engineered with passenger-friendly features such as elevators, escalators, CCTV monitoring, automatic fare collection gates, and climate-resistant materials suitable for the Philippine environment. The extension also incorporates improved accessibility for persons with disabilities, an important step toward inclusive transportation. Beyond infrastructure, the project brings significant economic impact. It boosts local land development, attracts new businesses, and creates thousands of construction and operational jobs. It also reduces travel times dramatically. Commuters who previously spent over 2 hours traveling to Manila from Cavite may now complete their journey in less than 40 minutes, depending on the schedule and boarding location. This reduction in travel time has profound social benefits, including increased productivity, more family time, reduced commuter fatigue, and overall better quality of life. Environmentally, the project encourages a shift from private vehicles and jeepneys to mass transit, decreasing carbon emissions and supporting the Philippines' long-term sustainability goals. The improved LRVs are built to minimize energy consumption through regenerative braking, optimized lighting, and efficient traction systems. They are designed not only for reliability but for long-term service with minimal environmental impact. Their aerodynamic exterior and reinforced frame provide stability during operations while ensuring safety under various weather conditions. Inside the train, the seating arrangement, grab rails, and flooring are designed for heavy daily passenger flow, particularly during peak hours. The vehicle's advanced diagnostics allow maintenance teams to quickly identify and resolve technical issues, reducing downtime and ensuring consistent operations. The Cavite Extension project is not just about adding rail length, it is about shaping the future of connectivity in Metro Manila. By expanding reach toward residential zones, commercial hubs, and business districts, the project supports economic decentralization, allowing Cavite to grow as a more accessible and strategically connected urban region. The extension also prepares the entire rail system for long-term integration with other major transportation developments in the Philippines, including the Metro Manila Subway, the North-to-South Commuter Railway, and future bus rapid transit corridors. Its long-term vision aligns with national goals of creating a fully interconnected, multimodal transport network where trains, buses, jeepneys, and other mobility services can function smoothly together. As construction progresses station by station, with massive viaducts rising along the Cavite and key urban corridors, the extension demonstrates the Philippines' growing capacity to execute large-scale infrastructure projects. The assembly of LRVs, whether in factories or during depot installation, reflects a combination of local expertise and international engineering standards, highlighting the country's commitment to durable, safe, and world-class transportation solutions. Each phase of the project, from the installation of tracks to the integration of electrical systems, shows the complex, meticulous effort required to create a modern railway. Workers, engineers, planners, and consultants collaborate daily to ensure that every component meets global safety and performance benchmarks. The government's partnership with private companies also strengthens the project's financial and operational foundation, ensuring long-term sustainability of the system. When fully completed, the LRT-1 Cavite extension will benefit over 800,000 passengers daily, marking one of the most significant increases in rail capacity in Philippine history. It will reshape daily travel patterns, reduce dependency on road-based transport, and contribute to a cleaner, healthier, and more organized urban mobility landscape. The project also serves as a blueprint for future expansions across Luzon and beyond, demonstrating that modern rail systems are not only achievable but essential for the nation's progression. As the Philippines moves closer to realizing its dream of a more advanced transportation future, the LRT Line 1 Light Rail Vehicles, Cavite Extension project stands as a powerful symbol of development, resilience, and vision, embodying the nation's determination to build a better, more accessible, and sustainable future for its people through modern, efficient, and reliable public transportation infrastructure.